Welcome to SurveySparrow. We are here to talk about what is an email survey software and how to use it. A survey is a method of collecting data from a target audience. Surveys provide a critical source of data and insights, from business and the media to government and academics. Now, there are basically two ways to go about it: paper surveys and online surveys. While paper surveys are way too conventional and strenuous, online surveys has proved to be best modus operandi to conduct surveys. The critical part of any survey is once the data collection process begins, the survey should reach the customers at the right time through the right survey. An email survey software helps to share your survey through emails. Not many survey tools support this extremely rewarding function though. What are the benefits of sending your surveys through an email? 1. Manage your contact list hassle-free. You will be able to add multiple contact lists and then get the surveys exclusively to them. Target exactly who you want. 2. Automated recurring and reminder surveys. Imagine not having to keep multiple reminders telling you when you have to send your next survey. An email survey software can make your life much simpler by automating the entire process. You can set the survey to be sent at regular intervals, or you can even send reminder emails to your respondent to finish the survey. How easy would it be for you if you know the exact response rate, the nature of responses, and the reports in one click? Well, email survey software helps you to achieve exactly that. You can see the partially completed surveys and send a reminder. You can see the reports that satisfy the criteria you specify and more. An email survey software has unlimited choices waiting to be leveraged. Want to know how exactly you have to create a client satisfaction survey? Click here. We have got a lot more in store. Check them out over here.